Do you know what I realised today? I like a lot of things beginning with T. Obviously, the first one is... My jaw just clicked. Did you hear that? Listen. Now it's not going to do it, obviously. Anyway. On back to the point. T. I like things beginning with T. Tequila. Tanning. Taters. Like potatoes. Well, I mean, I really want to say French fries, but that's an F. So that's basically all I could think of, but it was a lot, I thought, in my head. Taters, not tartars. Although I do like tartars. Tartar sauce? No. Tomatoes? I do like tomatoes. Tara masalata. Tzatziki. This went better in my head. Because the important things are tequila, tanning, and taters. Taters. Tequila, tanning, and taters. What other teas do I like? I gotta think about it. Can I get any closer? No. Ew, that is a terrible...